Hi everyone. I just wanted to get something off my chest, and it's about people's private lives being exposed. People, it's hard enough on the people that happens to, without everybody jumping on the bandwagon, exercising their pastoral counsel, okay? Using someone else's misfortune to showcase their pastoral counsel, okay? Just have some compassion. You call yourself Christians, and you're not even thinking what that person might feel like having been exposed to the world. This is the internet you're talking about. And then being gossiped about to the world like they're not in the room. Shame on you. The Lord doesn't like it. He's not happy with it. And all of you need to stop doing it now.